Y'all want to hear a cold start? I'll push this in the video. Oh, fuel pump. That's E85 probably. Hold on. I think this one should start. What's up, you guys? Welcome to another video. So today we're actually going to be installing. I already opened the box because I couldn't wait. But we're installing. Oh fuck! Hang on. We're installing these fucking lights. These are Euro tail lights for an s550 model Mustang. What we're thinking is we've never done this before. So what we're thinking is we're probably gonna have to remove this entire black piece, and then basically from here, coming this way, all of it's gonna come out. I have all the tools we need in here. It's my friend Joe, and we should be fine. We should be good to go. Let me put the GoPro on, and we'll get started. Back plastic piece. There's, move your hand, ho. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, oh shit, this shit's dirty. So we'll remove those. So we're gonna try to remove those first, and we'll let you guys know if that's the first step you guys need to do, which I'm assuming is probably right. Okay, I ought to just record Joe doing the whole thing. That's what he's doing right now. Alright, so we have these little 10 mils with like some type of fucking bushing. Not bushing, but... So, hold on. So here we removed this bolt, and then there's one way back here. And what we did is we didn't end up taking all this out. We just ended up pushing it out the way. So, just to get to the harness. So we're gonna most likely disconnect this big gray one, another gray one, and after we disconnect those two, this whole thing should push out. So we're gonna try to do it right now. So we got all of the, we got the light in basically. You want to point the camera there, brother? So it looks like there was some clip here, and I'm pretty sure it was to clip this on together, but whoever had this car previously, I think they broke it, because my backlights, when you brake on a regular Mustang, like it all turns on at the same time, but mine like does sequential and then it breaks. So it's aftermarket. So this guy for sure went in it, and oh shit, he for sure went in it, and if he probably snapped that shit. I don't know why, because to put that harness on, he shouldn't have taken the lights off in the first place, because I'm only second owner. So now we're just basically redoing the bolts again, or putting them on or whatever. Get a deep socket because these threaded pieces are long. Bro, I be seeing people on my Instagram, they be taking their car for someone to like put them on for them. I'm like, bro, there ain't no way it's that hard. Here in this channel, we do everything in this garage, cuz, and you guys have seen it too. Everything that's on. The only thing I didn't do to this car is the headers. That's it, and that's because I can't. Because if you don't have a lift, it's over. Boom. Back up, Joe. We gotta take a picture of this hoe. Thumbnail.
Before and after.
You fucked me. I knew it.
It looks the same. Just kidding. That bit clean. Oh, that bitch is clean.
Wait. Man, I gotta take a picture of that hoe. That's a thumbnail right here. Okay. Look at my phone.
That look cleaner on there.
That's a thumbnail. Alright. So after you put those bolts back on, you just basically, it's plug and play with your harness. But oh shit, it has this. I forgot about that. What is up, you guys? It's currently the next day. So long story short, the whole install was correct. Everything we did was correct. But after doing a little bit of research, we do have to end up using this wire too, and I thought so too, because when I connected them, there's a little green wire there that's just free. There's nothing in there. So you're gonna have to connect a piece from this long ass wire, because sorry guys, it's only me today, but this piece of wire divides into two. It splits off, so one's gonna connect here, one's gonna connect there, and then you have another red piece right here wire that's gonna run all the way to connect to this brake light up here. So and you're gonna have to run that, because I noticed that my brake lights weren't working. So, and this is why, after doing some research, so you are going to have to run this wire just to what's it called, to get your brake lights to work. So for the final, as you guys can see, I zip tied it, It's nice and tucked over here. I already closed it off though. So the wires come, you guys, no wire, you guys can't see shit. So it's coming in from the seatbelt cover through this panel up here. But it's, I don't know if you guys can see it, it's tucked away. You can't see anything. They're gonna give you some type of adapter, and the car comes with some type of an adapter. I don't think you're gonna use these from what we're looking at right now. And you're just gonna get
You're gonna unplug it from the
unplug it from the
other adapter.
From the other adapter, basically. The one it came with, the light came with. The fucking wires that the light came with that's stuck onto it, you're gonna connect it to the harness that's inside of the car already. You guys can see, look, watch out, Joe. Look, unlock, boom, yellow.
Wait, do it again?
That's the old one, so look. Look. Boom. We're basically just going to assemble everything back together. So we're gonna put this piece together, and it's basically the same thing for this whole side, so I'm not gonna record it. We're basically gonna do the same process, and we'll take pictures once everything's all done. Oh shit! You smell the corn? Alright, thank you guys for watching.